Okay, for task 3, we are going to do database, so we need Microsoft Access. So let's open Microsoft Access. Okay, done. Alright, you are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all currency values display the same currency symbol and are set to decimal places. Use a suitable database package, which is we are using Microsoft Access. We're going to import, so that means go to external data source from CSV file. So it's a generic text format. Browse. Oops, that's CSV. Okay, next. First row is our field name. So we're going to do the check-in. So it's all text until format code, text, 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 text. Release date is here, integer. This is currency. We automatically change the currency because we will have decimals. No need to worry about it later on. Integer, integer. It's okay if it's long integer or short integer. Okay, now by default they're detecting as text. But according to the question, they want integer. So there might be some missing data. So don't get panic. Okay. Here is Boolean. So Boolean is yes or no. Next. Just to double check, just to confirm that your date is EMY. Although there's no date, just make it into practice to check your date order. Primary key is book ref. Book ref is this. Okay. Next, finish. So for evidence 6, okay, we're gonna take a screenshot to show the field data type. It means that we need to show the design view. This thing. Okay, we're not done yet. So we already bring everything in. Check whether our price has currency symbol or not first. If no, then we can change later. Okay, yes, click choosing. Some of it have missing data. And our available must display as yes or no. So we need to change that first. Just go to lookup, change the checkbox to text box. Save. So when you go back, available will be displayed as yes or no. So you're going to take a screenshot of this. So make sure you include your primary key symbol. Only in that way you can show what is your primary key. If not, you might lose 1 mark. Okay, next. Import format. And they didn't give you a table to refer to, so use your discretion to have a correct data type. This one got alphabet and numbers, so it's text, 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 text. Not only numbers, so I put it as it is. This is also integer, and that's all. Next, primary key. They say set type code as the primary key. Type code is this. Okay, so that's it. Oops. Next, create a one-to-many relationship. So, database tool, relationships. So you're gonna have two tables. We are going to create relationship between format code from book table, this book table format code, and the type code from format table. Here, format table, format code and type code. Drag and drop to get this. Take a screenshot because you can see it's a one-to-many relationship. Let's create evidence 7. Oops, what was my evidence 6? Oh, evidence 5 is this. Okay, never mind. We skip evidence 5 first because evidence 5 is writing. So we do our writing later. This is our evidence 6. Right. Okay, next. 7 done. Always save and Ctrl W to close the tab. Next, add the following new record to your books table. Here, they didn't ask us to create any form. So straight away we're going to type here. So at the bottom here you will see some arrows. And move your cursor around and look for new record option. Click on this and type rise move give 30501 deliver 2015 8.49116 and yes, control S. Okay, next. Using fields from book table produce a tabular report. So as long as they want report, we're going to create a query first. Query wizard, simple query. So they want these fields. So let me highlight first. These are the fields that they want. So we have title, author, price, release year, and available. Next, and I usually put the title of my report, title of my query. Book releases 2014 slash 2015. Finish. So we have a query. So in query we do two things. We import field like now. The question wants us to create new field, then we create. But in this question, we don't need to create any new field, but we need to filter. So go to design view. We're gonna filter. Or filter. So we're gonna select release here. So we're gonna filter under criteria. Okay. So go to release here. They say 2014 or just type all 2015. If it's a number, no need to put quotation mark or your apostrophe. Sometimes apostrophe work. So if it's a number, just don't put anything. Type the number. For price, it's 5 or more, so greater than or equals to 5. Save. And for available, yes. Save. Run. Recheck. So price is 5 or more. Yeah. For release year 2014, 2015. Available is all selected one. That means it's all yes. So done. Now we can create our report. So create report wizard. From our query, everything from here. Next. So make sure everything is in one line. Next. Don't sort here. Next. It's portrait. Okay. Next. Our title is book releases 2014, 2015. Finish. That's all. Okay. We have report. So before I start arranging this, I go to layout view. I want to do the sort first. Layout view, and you will see group and sort. Click at this. So you have sort the data in descending order of price. Gonna do descending order of price. The field that we want to arrange. Descending order, that means large to small. Save. And you can close your group and sort. Next, fit on a single page. Now we're gonna rearrange everything so that it fits on a single page. It's big. Let's rearrange. I'm gonna move this author to the right a bit because some of my titles are not fully visible. Don't accidentally move up and down. If you did, just Control Z, because if you move up and down, it will take up more space. Oops. As preview to see if it's everything in one page. Yep, I don't have any extra pages here. Okay, that means everything is in one page. Good. Go back to layout view because we're not done yet. Can make this small. Okay, next, calculate the average price and position this under the price column. Select one of the value in your price column. This is the layout viewer, and you will see totals. Choose average. Scroll to the end, you will see this. Display this average value in two decimal places in same currency symbol. So you just click on property sheet. Make sure you select this property sheet. Then you see format. The first thing, format. Change this to currency. So you have it, two decimal places, currency symbol. Done. Just want to go back to my design view. Sorry, print view to see if I still have only one page here. Okay, next layout view. Label average book price on the left of this value. Design view, report design, controls. The key is not to make any drastic movement when you are rearranging stuff. If you make too much movement to your labels, it will add space to the top and bottom. So it will increase your oops, it will increase the page number. Going back to layout view, clicking, dragging down a little bit and moving to the right and up a bit. Okay, okay, done. Then do not display a page number. Going back to the side view, so this is for page number. I'm going to just delete this. Then has your name, center number, and candidate number at the bottom of the report. So I'm just going to write my name at the place where we had our page number just now. To the right. Okay, let's go back to preview and see if it's all okay. So one page, I have my name at the side, bottom, and then average book price, and then okay, good to go. But before I print, I make sure I have the columns that they asked for. Title, author, price, here, and available. Okay, so this is my printout tool. So don't go to your file and then export. Please don't. You go to print view here, click print, and then send to the printer in exam. But now send to PDF and save it in PDF. This is our P. What is wrong here? This is our P2. Save. Okay, that first. Next, evidence 6. They want us to show the formula. So this is our label is blocking, just moving it to the right a bit, then taking a screenshot of this part. So this is our evidence 8. Okay, next. So I can close this. Oh gosh, save. Control W. Oops, this Control W. Okay. Using field from both tables produce a tabular report. Again, they want report, so we're gonna create a query. Press OK, and just highlight the fields that they want first. So these are the fields that they want, and look for a field if there's any new field or not. So there is a new field which is called book tags. So we're gonna create this after we create our query. So we create our query with what we have first. So make sure you import from table. Don't take anything from query that you previously created. So you take from the tables. One book graph, publisher, title, author, type. Type is not from the table, I think. Type, release here, price, and then book tags later. Next, next. The title of this query is, oh, previously for the title. Only the text display as a title, large font. That's correct. Done. So the title is only the text published. Finished. So we have our query. First step, we're gonna create a new field. Okay. To create a new field, you just put your cursor at the empty column. Then you click on builder. Then you have to change this sentence into a number sentence. So let's read first. Contain a new field called book text. That's our common name. To calculate it at a runtime and display with the same currency value as the price field. So first of all, when you import your table, you should have changed your price to be currency. Then only you will get your currency symbol. Okay? This field will calculate price. So price plus 10% of price. So bracket 10% of price. Like this. Okay. I press OK, Control S, and I get an error. When I press OK, they specifically highlight my percentage sign. That means they don't understand this percentage. So I'm going to change this into a decimal, which is 0.1. Or you can also write 10 divided by 100, also can. Control S and run. Always check your answer. Open a calculator that's in your laptop or desktop. So my current price is 14.29 plus 0.1 times 14.29. I should get 15.719. So I'm getting the correct answer. Okay, so good. Now we're going to change our name of the column. Just erase the expr1 and you write book text. And we have to change this to a number. Save. So all you need to do is click on property sheet, then UC format, change the format to currency, save, and run. Okay, both of it have the same currency symbol and it has 2 decimal places. Okay, done. Now we're gonna do our filter. Close that. Publisher includes the word digital. Publisher. Where's publisher? Includes the word digital. That means front and back can be anything. Asterisk, digital, asterisk, save, then run, check. So put the arrow down, and then you will see all the possible answers have the word digital. Doesn't matter front or back, mostly back. Never mind. Next, release year later than 2011 means greater than 2011. Save. Done. Run. So release year, arrow down. It's all greater than 2011. Finish. Now we can create our report. So create. Then we go to report wizard. From this query, everything in. Next. Make sure everything is one line. Sometimes it's like this. You just change. Okay? The viewing is different. Make sure everything is in one line. Next. Don't group. Don't sort. Let's try landscape. 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 Next. Title. My report is so publishing. Finish. Done. Before we do anything, go to layout view and we do sorting. So we're going to sort in ascending order of book type. This is our first sort. The second sort is descending order of release year. Got two sorts. So X sort, first is book type. Ascending order, that means A at the top. Another one is for release year. And it has to be descending order. That means largest to smallest. Save. Close this. Done. Orientation we already set. Okay, fit on a single page wide. Now we're gonna resize things, make sure everything is fully visible. So this one needs more space. The rest are all okay. This one needs more space for the labels specifically. Book reference is okay. But maybe I will move a little bit. Using control to select both my label and my content. Okay. Alright, done. So everything is single page wide. How I know? This dotted line is the end of the page. So they didn't say squeeze everything into one page. They just said the width, all the columns must fit into this one page. Columns, not the entire row. Okay, done. Include only the text, digital publishing as a title display. Correct, larger font at the top. Has your name center number in the footer of the report so it will display on every page. So design view, we are going to look for our date. This is our date now. And page number. We're going to write our details right in between. So here. Save. Go to print view. Check. All the pages has their details on it. So far only two pages and both pages has my name on it. Okay, done. So this is our printout 3. So print this. Save. Okay, for evidence 9, you need to type again. Describe the difference between hardware and software. This is chapter 1. gonna skip this part. Okay, no more mail merge for you. I'm gonna skip. Next, we're gonna continue with tasks.